Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to adjust icon size on your home screen on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen and lock screen. Click on home setting and click on icon size. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, if you want to adjust icon size, so you will see increase or decrease icon size from here. If you want to decrease, so you will see swipe right or left, increase or decrease icon size from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.